Good morning, and welcome to Social with Rocky. You guys, I wanted to share with you today this new feature that has been allowed. I always say allowed when it comes to Instagram, is the ability to post from the desktop on Instagram. Now, I hate desktop Instagram. Let's just be clear about that. I only really used it for engaging and being able to, like and comment because I type faster than I can text, and plus the phone is like super duper small. But when they allowed this feature, I was super excited about it, you guys. So with that being said, it has been out for the longest time. I think it's just slowly bleeding into other people's accounts now, but I have it, so I'm going to talk about it. All right, so this is the desktop on Instagram, www.desktop.com. Just kidding, www.instagram.com. Once you go to the Instagram desktop, you'll see at the top there is a house, and there is the message, and then there is this new button, which is a square with a plus inside of the square. That allows you to post directly from the desktop to your Instagram account. And it's actually set up really, really nice. So let's check it out. So once you hit the plus sign, it'll ask you to select and drop your photos and videos here. So you select from desktop. Once you select from desktop, of course, it'll take you to your downloads, your documents, whatever you want to upload. All right. So I'm just going to upload this cutesy wootsy little diner photo. All right. Open. Once you get here, you can see on the bottom left, you can crop it the way that you want to crop it. You can have the original photo there, 1:1, which is a square, 4:5, or 16:9, which is the landscape. Okay, so I'm going to do the original. All right. With that being said, if you go to the bottom right, guessy, you have the ability to do carousels. Now, what I learned about this is you cannot select them all in a gap. All right. So you can click on the plus button, but you have to select the pictures one at a time. I wanted the ability to hold on to the control button and select, but you can't. You have to do it one at a time. But once you click and upload, you guys, once you click and upload, you can take these photos now and then drag them in whatever order you want to drag them in. Now, again, for creatives that are using Photoshop and all those great things, this is amazing because you can create and post right then and there. So I love it. So after you've done all of this, you can click on next. Once you click on next, it gives you the options for filters if you use filters, or it gives you options for adjustments. All right. With adjustments, as you see, it's the same thing as Instagram: brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, fade, vignette. Go to next. Once you go to next, you can write your caption. This is a I type really loud, but anyway, so it's starting to type here. You can add in your emojis. Oh, yep. Add in some emojis if you want to. They have that option there. Your location, accessibility. Okay. So the alt text feature is here. Now I will say the alt text is great for SEO. Don't get it twisted, you guys. It is simply for helping the visually impaired. I hate when people use SEO as an excuse to just throw crap in there that has nothing to do with the photo. For alt text, you only want to put what's in the photo because that's going to help the visually impaired. Don't write anything that has nothing to do with what's in the photo. That's disrespectful, okay? If I was visually impaired and I want to see, I want to know that it's a toy poodle on the screen, and you put cat, freaking business owner, like all these things, then I'm going to be upset when somebody tells me that you lied to me. Right, so only post what's there. All right, in the advanced settings, you can turn off your commenting. With that, I'm not going to post this, but with that, you can now click the share button. Once you click the share button, it will go to your feed. Okay, now with that being said, you also can do this with videos. Okay, so if you have any videos in the feed, you can post your videos. So same thing, select your video. Once the video is selected, it will upload. Okay, and you will see your video posted here. All right, now it shows up as a square. All right, but then I can make it a landscape. Okay, and then same thing, you can post multiple feeds.
Hello everyone, welcome to the stream.
All right, let's just move on. Now when you click next, you guys, you now can select a cover photo from the computer screen. Okay, so I can do a cover photo if I want to. Let's click the piano again. That will be my cover photo. And then also I have the ability to trim out the video. Okay, I can trim the video as much as I want to. All right, now with the trimming of the video, I'm still learning how to move further back, because it doesn't tell you how to do that. So it's pretty interesting. Like, okay, I can't go past this right here. So if you guys knows how to do that, then make sure that you let me know. All right. Stop. All right, so with the video sound on, you can turn the sound off as well, if you want to have the sound off. So then you go next. Once you go next, same thing, caption accessibility, advanced setting. You have the ability to tag people in the post. Same thing with the last one as well. And you can click share. Once you click share, it'll go to the feed. All right, you guys. So yeah, this is the desktop tutorial. Hopefully you will love it. I loved it. I think it's a great thing. I'm super excited about it. So let me know what you feel in the comment section. All right, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a follow on Instagram at Social with Rocky for more updates, and I will be chatting with you soon. Bye.